Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's tax season in Canada and the frenzy is just everywhere. File your taxes, attend the tax webinar. The frenzy is just all over the place. Now the exciting thing about tax season is that when you file your taxes, you either get a tax refund from the government, or you're owing the government, or it's a zero balance. Nobody's owing each other. Just like when you have a draw in a match. However, everybody wants a refund, of course. I was talking to a friend the other day and she was telling me that she doesn't like tax season because she doesn't ever get a refund. She was pissed off that despite the rising cost of groceries, the rising cost of rent that never ever goes down, now she feels like the government is coming after her hard-earned money again. Meanwhile, she hears stories from friends and colleagues about them getting huge tax refunds, tax credits, and free money from programs she doesn't even know existed. And she's wondering, wait, why am I missing out? Am I the only one not getting a tax refund? I was so shocked because I thought everyone knows that there are ways to get money back during tax season in terms of tax credits and all whatnot. But apparently not, because millions of dollars go unclaimed every year. Because people simply don't know what they're entitled to. And the worst part is, this money is yours. You already paid into the system, and yet, if you don't know how to claim it, it just sits there and you never get the benefit of it. Truly, the gap between where you are now, which is probably missing out and feeling frustrated, and where you could be is what this video is about. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to get free money from the Canada government so that you can keep more of what you earn. We're going to cover the top government programs giving out money right now and how to check if you qualify. Hidden tax credits that most people don't claim, but which can save you thousands of dollars. Tax credits that you could get despite your income bracket. And tax credits that is available for all age groups. As a financial educator, I usually get a lot of questions about tax credits. So I spent hours researching government programs, tax incentives, tax credits, and loopholes that most people never ever hear about. I did all of this to make sure I give you real, actionable information. This video could literally put thousands of dollars back into your pocket. So if that sounds like something you could use, then stick around. Let's go through this together. First off, let's talk about tax credits and rebates, because who doesn't want to pay less in taxes? If you're earning a low to moderate income, you might be eligible for the GST/HST credit. This is a tax-free payment given 4 times a year to help offset the GST and HST you pay on everyday purchases. And the best part is that if you file your taxes, you're automatically considered. Then we have the Canada Workers Benefit, or the CWB. If you're working but not making a high income, this could mean hundreds or even over $1,000 back into your pocket. And yet many people don't even know about it. Then lastly, the Climate Action Incentive Payment. If you live in a province where there is a carbon tax, the government gives you money back every 3 months. Don't leave that cash on the table. Now let's talk about child and family benefits. Now parents, this one is for you. The Canada Child Benefit can give you up to $7,437 per child every year, tax-free. It's one of the most generous benefits out there, and it adjusts based on your income. If you have a child with a disability, there's extra money available through the Child Disability Benefit. And depending on where you live, there are provincial child benefits that stack on top of the federal ones. So check your province's website. There's also free money for learning. If you have kids and you haven't opened a registered education savings plan for them, you're missing out on the Canada Learning Bond. That's free money for your child's education. For students, government grants and loans can fund your education, and the best part is that many of these grants don't have to be repaid back. And if you're thinking of upgrading your skills, look into job training grants. The government might actually pay you to learn a new skill. There's also support for seniors and retirees, and it's money that you actually deserve. Seniors, if you're 65 or above, you may qualify for old age security and the guaranteed income supplement, or the GIS. These are extra monies to help with living costs. There's also an allowance for seniors, which helps if you're a lower income senior with a spouse that is receiving the guaranteed income supplement. And provinces offer additional senior benefits, from property tax reductions to home repair grants. The government also has tax credits for renters and homeowners. If you rent, check out the Canada Housing Benefit. It provides direct payments to eligible renters to help with housing costs. If you're looking to buy your first home, the First Time Home Buyer Incentive gives you an interest-free loan to lower your mortgage payments. Some provinces also offer property tax rebates and rent subsidies, so it's worth checking your eligibility. There are other hidden programs too. If you have a disability, you may qualify for the CPP disability benefit or the disability tax credit. This can mean thousands of dollars in financial support. If you lose your job, employment insurance, EI, and sickness benefits can help cover you while you get back on your feet. And if you're an entrepreneur or starting a business, there are grants and funding programs designed to support small business owners. Now, let me take a minute to address a few misconceptions that people usually have about these benefits. Some people say, I make too much money, I cannot qualify. Well, the truth is that many of these programs aren't just for low-income earners. Some benefits phase out gradually, so you could still be eligible for something. Other people say, do I have to apply every year? No, some benefits renew automatically as long as you file your taxes. Some other people say, oh, I don't have a kid, so there's nothing for me. Well, that's not entirely true. There's free money for workers, renters, students, seniors, and business owners too, just like I have enumerated at the beginning of this video. I didn't go into the details of each of these benefits, but I wanted you to know what you could qualify for. If you want more details on one or more of these benefits, just leave a yes in the comments and probably tell me the benefit that you want me to talk more about. There are also some detailed videos on this same channel about some of these benefits. Just go through the channel and check them out. So basically, this video is telling you to stop leaving money on the table. Make sure that you check your eligibility on the Canada.ca website and apply for the benefits that you do qualify for, and share this video with others so they don't miss out either. Let's make sure that this particular tax season works for you this year. You can watch this video for a few more details about the benefits that you can get this tax season. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.